In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you how you can use MEXC into your advantage. So if you are looking for some coins that you actually love and you can find it into other exchanges like Binance or KuCoin, then probably you can use MEXC Global. So first of all, before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates right here. Okay, so I am using MEXC as my alternative in Binance exchange because I find it really convenient. So I'm also going to put into the link into the description box below so that you will get 10% rebate on your fees inside MEXC Global. So that is just for me, so make sure to take advantage of it, guys. Okay, so let me just explain how you can actually use MEXC. Okay, so for you to be able to log in, for you to be able to create an account. So let's say we're going to create an account in incognito mode. So what you just need to do is just log in and then sign up, and then you actually want to choose whether you want to log in via mobile or an email. So either way, it is safe, and also it is one of the reputable exchanges out there, and it is also based in the Singapore. So after you've done this, guys, you will be able to log in, and then there is a KYC inside of the platform, so that the money laundering or any kind of like scams or what do you call that, some sort of like a scam, like some sort of a scam will be what do you call that, will be prevented into the platform. Okay, so it is really awesome because I can always buy crypto so easily inside this platform. So if you're going to look at the account, so I do have 300 MEXC token, so you can directly buy anything here. So if you found like an altcoin that has been launched and you can't actually trade it, you do not know how to use PancakeSwap or anything, okay, MEXC is actually the first exchange that will list that. Okay, so in terms of altcoins, if you want to make more money in trading, because altcoins is the best thing for you to be able to make money in altcoins, because all of the altcoins, almost every single altcoins that are really good is listed first on MEXC before it got listed into the other exchanges. And the advantage is that if you already bought it here, okay, once it has been launched into these biggest exchanges, okay, you will see that you are already making pretty much big amounts of money, because you already bought it here, and probably the volume is in there. So in terms of like crypto altcoin gems, I actually use MEXC. Okay, so let me just explain to you how you can deposit. So in my case, if you are using what do you call that, if you are you do not have any Visa or MasterCard, you can always go for a P2P. So what you just need to do is just buy it directly here. So actually the price recently was around 55, but I actually talked to them about this part, that maybe if they can ask their P2P merchants to lower the prices of the conversion, so that a lot of people can be able to buy inside here without even hurting that much into their pockets. So you can just directly buy USDT into this part, and what you just need to do is just bind your cell phone number, because it is a KYC again, know your customer, and then after you've done that, guys, you will be able to buy it here and just go directly into the market. So how you can actually find some altcoins here, you will just type in here into the search bar over here what are like the stuff that you actually want to buy. So let's say I like Casper. Okay, so I saw this project like few months ago, and pretty much I like to trade this one. It is not available into the other exchanges. So other than using other exchanges like Gate.io to see and have some kind of like a rug stuff, I'm just going to rather use this one because it is a lot more reputable and it is a lot more transparent in terms of the security and everything. So what you just need to do is just click this part, okay, and then you actually want how many USDT that you want to buy, and you will be able to see the quantity here. So let's say you're going to buy this, and you will be able to see how many Casper tokens that you can buy in USD. Okay, so the good thing here is that they also have a DeFi and MEXC DeFi. So the MEXC is pretty much undervalued in my case because one MEXC token is just $1. Okay, if you remember, Binance BNB tokens are now 300, 400. Okay, and seeing that this part right here, this hidden gem right here, is still at $1, you can probably see that it is really undervalued, and just holding it for like maybe holding 1,000 tokens of it can actually make you a fortune into the future. Not a financial advice, but that's what I am seeing into the other exchanges as well. So you shouldn't take it for granted in my case. So as a beginner, so I'm just really going to show it to you. So you will get a future bonus for free after you've done your security verification, your KYC and a deposit, because this is just like you're just helping the platform to be able to know you, and you will you are giving them a peace of mind that you won't do any single stupid stuff like scamming other people, like doing some scam projects in rug and just put it into your wallet. That is why it's very important to have a KYC. So there's more updates that I want to show to you. So they are also launched AXS, these other tokens right here, which is really good, like Mina, like Farm, like Clover, like SHIB, like Solana, and they're actually giving more informations as well into their Facebook, into their social media links, wherein you are also getting educated while you are earning into the platform via your trade. Okay, so they also released a global tokens that has been listed on Coinbase and Binance in 2021, which is this part right here. And just taking note that before it got listed into the Coinbase or Binance, it got listed here, okay? So that is why it's very important that if you found something like, if someone is talking about this kind of altcoin, that will just go soon like at like a 100 or times 200, maybe. Let's say it's just really good in terms of the projects of the fundamentals, then probably you can now directly go here and then just search for a coin and just buy it earlier than anyone else. That is why I pretty much recommend it. So there's also a what do you call that? There's also a mobile version of this, so you will be able to download it even you are using an iOS, you are using an Android, you're using a Windows, or even like in Google Play Store. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you are if you do not have a Google Play, you can always download it into the Android version. If you do have, then probably you can download directly into the Google Play. And if you have an Apple and you do not have an Android phone, and you can just still download it easy. And if you're using a PC, then you can also download it easy here. So it's just really good because just by like having some spot, just imagine guys, if you've hold AXS right now, okay, and you've bought this one at really like small price, okay, let's just look at AXS price. So let's say the price recently was around 5.96. Just imagine if you've bought it at 5.96 on MEXC exchange, then probably right now, let's say you've bought around 100 pieces of AXS, okay? So 100 pieces of AXS is around 100. So that's actually made you more than 300,000 pesos, which is in turn $7,000. So I think that's one of the things that you actually want to see. It is because you can actually make more money in altcoins if you are using it right, and if you are discovering it faster than anyone else, okay? So just not a financial advice, of course. Always invest what you can afford to lose, and also do your own research, okay? So if you actually looking to buy some crypto or a Bitcoin, you can always buy it directly here. So you can buy it via Visa, if you do have a Visa or MasterCard, and let's say you actually want to buy it on a USD, you can always buy it. And also, this is not banned on the US, so that's pretty much one thing that you actually want to see, because this is pretty much everywhere, okay? You can be able to buy it whatever country that you are in, okay, as long as you can buy it, okay? So again, I'm also going to put the link into the description box below, so that you will be able to enjoy 10% reduction on the fees if you are using a platform. So do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update, and see you on my next video.